Hello and welcome once again to this channel. So in today's video we are going to go through the question 27 of the WAEC 2025 mathematics objective question. So it says a variable p varies inversely as the square of q. If p is equal to 5 when q is equal to 6, find q when p is equal to 1.8. And the options are that A is 5, B is 10, C is 15, and D is 20. Okay, so let's go into solving this right now. This is actually a question around proportionality. So when they say something is inversely proportional to the other, like in this case right now, we have that P is inverse to Q squared. So it's actually represented as P is proportional to 1 over that particular variable. In this case, it is what? Q squared. So this means that P is inversely related to Q squared. Okay, now, so if we want to remove this sign of proportionality, we're going to introduce a constant into this particular problem. So it's going to be like P is equal to K times 1 over Q squared. So this K is a constant, right? And we can represent this as equal to K over Q squared. Okay, so we're going to find the value of K here right now, because if I want to make it the formula subject, I'm going to move this Q squared to the left hand side. So I'm going to have that P Q squared is equal to K, or K is equal to PQ squared. So we are given that when P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 6. So I can plug in these values here to find the value of K. So I'm going to have that when P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to 6, K is going to be equal to is going to be equal to PQ squared, which is equal to 5 times 6 squared, which is equal to 5 times 36, which is equal to 180. So that means this K is equal to 180. So I can actually rewrite this particular equation such that P is equal to K over Q squared, which is same as 180 over Q squared. So now we're actually looking for the value of Q when P is 1.8. So from this particular equation, I will say that 1.8 is going to be equal to 180 over Q squared, right? And if I take this Q squared to the left hand side and bring this 1.8 to the right hand side, I'm going to have that Q squared is equal to 180 over 1.8, which is the same as 1800 over 18, which is the same thing as 18 times 100 over 18. So I can cancel out this 18 such that Q squared is equal to 100. And if I take the square root of both sides, I'm going to have that Q is equal to 10. So therefore, option B is the correct answer out of the options. Okay, so based on what we've learned in this video now, here is a similar question for you to solve. It says a variable y varies inversely as the cube of x. If y is equal to 8 when x is equal to 2, find x when y is equal to 1. Option A is that x is equal to 1, option B is x is 2, option C is x is 4, and option D is x is 8. So actually solve this question and provide your answers in the comments. If you like this video and other ones I posted on this channel, please help this channel by subscribing to this channel and also share this video with your colleagues. If you have other questions you want me to help you solve, you can put them in the comment section and I will look at them right away. Without much further ado, I will leave it to it that math is easy. So have a nice day. Thank you.